Okay, this is going to be a real quick video about how to grade using a rubric. So I've already created an assessment that has a rubric. A student has submitted their work, and now it says it needs grading. So when I click on that, it's going to take me to the student's assignment. And you can see all of these were from the same student. If you kept scrolling, you would see other students as well. And you could see there's no score, and this grid here indicates that there's a rubric. Here I can see the student's work. So click on the grid, it's going to pull up the rubric, one criteria at a time. So the first criteria is spelling and grammar. So I would review what my student had written. What you should know is you see this didn't, okay, if I close this rubric, you can see the student did not separate those words. So just be careful when you're looking at the rubric that you don't take off for students who have a word split like that, because odds are that is just to shrink the pain, okay? And I look and I do not see any spelling mistakes. So I'm going to add a comment here. Very careful writing. Keep it. All right, and then I'm going to save that. And now it says the next, so excellent, no mistakes for spelling and grammar. Next one is content. And look, this includes exactly what I needed. And I love all the food we can choose from too. I'm going to save that comment and I'm going to give an excellent. This is great. And then I'm going to save it. That is how you grade with a rubric again. And if you already graded someone's work, you can always click on the rubric and make an adjustment. If you say, you know what, I think actually I'm going to move this up, then you have to grade the next criteria again, and then you have to click save. But notice how it jumps to a big window. Don't be thrown off by that. Again, click the waffle. Do you see? And grade how you want. Again, you have to click through each one, click save. Okay, so if you have a lot of criteria in your rubric, you're not going to want to have to go back through because you're going to have to click through each one, okay, or just keep scrolling. And there's how you grade with a rubric.